One company that truly hit the cost and simplicity sweet spot this year was Cisco. They've got this thing that we've called Smart Storage for Dummies. It's actually the Smart Storage NSS 300 series. This is the high-end unit with 6 drives. You can also get it with 2 and 4. And without any drives, the small unit lists for $913. So you add a couple of terabyte drives to that, and you've got yourself a nice little server for a small office. What does this thing do? Well, it's a 2-core Atom system running Linux, and it's a file server. It's an FTP server. It can serve web pages. It can serve NFS. It can serve all kinds of files to Windows, Mac, and Linux clients. It can serve media, including iTunes, and it's a Twonky media server as well. And it can also do MySQL. So if you've got a small database, you can use this as the back-end storage. If that weren't enough, it also can serve out SNMP, SMTP, DHCP. So it can serve most of the needs of a small office. And then if you needed to also do email, you can upgrade it and add a module to that. And Cisco offers those for free. So it's a great little device. There's a couple of really nice features about it. First of all, it's all browser-based. Its management is all done through a browser. So you turn it on. If you're not sure how to set it up, it comes with a great Windows-based utility with photos about how to install the drives, how to plug them in, and get all that working. And there's
from start to finish, about how long was the installation?
Well, it came with drives already installed, so it took me about 15 minutes to initialize the drives and get the whole thing running. To enable services is just a checkbox, so it could not be easier. It's a great, again, a browser-based client to do the admin with, and then there's a couple of really nice features in it. For instance, for a small business, let's say you're doing your financial transactions on this little box. At the end of the day, you can walk up to it with a USB stick, insert the stick into the front USB slot, hit this button, and then it will automatically execute a script that's built into the box, and you can access that script through the browser. That script will either copy all of the files from a certain folder that you specify onto the stick, or it will copy all of the files that are on the stick to the unit. Or it can do both. It can synchronize. So you've got yesterday's data here, you stick it in there, hit the button, take it out, take it home, and now you've got off-site storage. There's also 4 additional USB ports. There's 2 eSATA ports. You can connect this and replicate it to any number of external devices. It's got dual Ethernet redundant, so you can configure that for port trunking to add bandwidth to the unit. You can set them up as hot redundant failover redundancy, or to bridge 2 LANs together. It's also UPnP and Bonjour compatible. So in addition, the RAID software that's built in, you can do RAID 1, 0, 1, 5 or 6, or 5 plus 1 hot spare, or just use it as a bunch of disks. Again,
just a bunch of disks.
Exactly, a JBOD, as those in the know would say. So for $913 for the 2-drive model, this would serve as, let's say, plug a couple of terabyte drives in, make one redundant to the other, they're mirrored or they're RAID or whatever, and you've got yourself a nice, inexpensive server that's really easy to manage for the small business, and then it can go all the way up to the 6-drive unit, which is $4,800, which is how we tested it.
Now, this is the size of, I'm going to say about the size of a toaster.
Exactly. It's it can sit on a shelf. It can go on a rack. It's small enough to fit into any. I mean, heck, who needs a gigantic server with all kinds of software to manage and the expense of that? You just don't need it these days. You've got this box here, which is the NSS 300 from Cisco. This is a recommended product.
Runs cool?
Absolutely. The thermals and the power consumption were well within normal standards. I don't have the exact numbers in front of me, but nothing stood out in terms of power consumption on this unit. Otherwise, I definitely would have reported that.
There's the simplicity. What's the, I know you mentioned the price. Tell me the price again for this.
Well, once again, $913 is the list price for the low-end model. That's the entry level.
That's without the storage? That's without the discs?
Correct. The 2-drive model without any drives. But I mean, you can get a terabyte drive for what, $100? So buy a couple of them and you're in business for about $1,100. You're good to go.
That's great. This really doesn't seem like it's going to be adding a lot of overhead to the data center for if you're a small or mid-sized business. It doesn't seem like it's going to add a lot of complexity either. You know, the software management console is how would you describe it?
Well, again, it's a browser-based, and the interface is really easy to use. It's very simple, just like a 2-pane browser-based interface. Or if you're into the command line, you can plug a monitor and keyboard and mouse, or you won't need a mouse, but a monitor and a keyboard right into the back, and you can log in to the root at the root level and run your command line interface because it's running Linux 2.6 right on the board. So you're all set to go with this either way, either through the browser or through the command line. And it's very easy to manage.
And this is available through the channel?
Through the channel, 2-tier distribution, through any Cisco reseller partner can get hold of these boxes. They're available and shipping now.